Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be doing the main kitchen area, including the framing, worktop and worktop wrapping. And just like the bed, I'm popping down these thin wooden slats to give the worktop something to attach to.
I don't need to stay, finna walk out that door. My mistake, giving you love galore. Hope you find someone that can really adore you. Don't worry, I ain't keeping grudges, cause I'm doing better, life cannot be more golden. But honestly, I won't lie, sometimes I ask why I can't get you out my head. Now hard to forget that I really need to cut you.
So as always guys, if you do go on and enjoy the video, why not drop it a wee like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow and it also pushes the video out to more people.
Someone tell me why.
Give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart, no little by little here. I'm always pushing things too far. 2, 5, 6, 10 drinks at the bar. No boundaries, I get too close. No little by little here, cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little, I pour out my heart. No little by little here. I always run and hit the wall. I'd rather jump and risk the fall. I see no limits in the sky, no little by little here. No, no, got stuck on working on myself. Thought I was wrong and needed help, but I'm just different, something else. No little by little here, cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little, I pour out.
So I had this old desk I wanted to use as a worktop, and to give myself the best chances of it fitting first time, I used a good old piece of cardboard to make a template.
I'm gonna go every
Which I'm glad I did, as this door corner was a bit tricky.
and be myself, I swear. I'm gonna gonna give my all, 'cause I don't care if people stop and stare.
So one of the things I wanted to have in the van was a toilet. It was a necessity. And I looked everywhere, and the best one I could find for a low profile was this Porta Potty 345. I'll leave a link to it in the description. This was recommended on a lot of van groups. And one of the reasons was just because how low it is to the ground, but it's not uncomfortable to sit on. And so for water I got this 10 litre jerry can, and this would be used for the fresh water in the van. So just now I'm just going to try and work out where everything's going to go.
I'm gonna give my all, 'cause I don't care if people stop and stare. Let me fly, walk that road into the sky. Let me be all that I can be.
So I couldn't decide whether to have the water at the back of the van or the side door. But in the end I settled for the side door, as I preferred opening the side door and it made more sense for that space under the worktop. And as you can see, especially with the toilet, it just made more sense having all the water coming from the side door, for getting fresh water, for emptying the wastewater, and also, you know, for emptying the toilet as well. So I think the side door was the better option.
I'll be free.
So the kitchen frame is up, worktop wrapped, and it's now starting to feel like a proper camper. I know the two right sections are for the toilet and fresh water, but I'm still in there over the left section. I'm thinking maybe shelves or a cupboard of sorts. I don't know. I'm sure it'll come to me.